To foundations of real estate financial modeling. Today we'll go over the definitions and how to use internal rate of return. This is something that's used in the world of time value of money in finance. It's similar to the net present value. I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link in the description below. But without further ado, let's jump into what's an internal rate of return. So an internal rate of return, it's a tool used in financial analysis that is used to measure the profitability of any given investment. Usually you're comparing two projects and you look at their internal rates of return to analyze which one's better. The way to calculate the internal rate of return by hand is you would make the net present value equation equal to 0 and you would get that discount rate, which would be the internal rate of return. And obviously, the higher the internal rate of return, the more desirable the investment is. So if you're calculating the IRR by hand, this is what it looks like on our sample problem. We won't be calculating this by hand. We're going to be using Excel and its functions. So let's look at the first sample problem. Let's compare projects and choose the best one using the IRR method. Project A has an outflow of $14,000 in year 0, followed by an inflow of $6,000, $7,000, $7,000, and $6,000. Project B has an initial cash outflow of $10,000 and it's followed by 3 years of $2,500 and a final payment of $6,000. Okay, well, let's jump into it. So here we have Project A and all of its cash flows. Project B and all of its cash flows. This is super simple, guys. We're just gonna use the Excel function IRR. We're gonna select all of our cash flows. Click enter. It's an IRR 30%. We drag. We have an IRR of 11% for Project B. Looking at these two IRRs and these two projects, we would definitely prefer to invest in Project A since it has a higher internal rate of return. And with that, guys, that is all for this video. If you like it, please like the video, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments. If there's anything you would like to see, please let me know and I can get on it. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Thank you.